So, Marty, how do I get financing to buy a house? There's really three options. You can use banks, you can use hard money lenders, and you can use friends and family. I personally use a small portfolio bank, and portfolio means that they keep their loans in-house. This is really helpful. Their lending standards are less strict. They often have a little higher interest rates, but they're much easier to get those kind of loans. So what if I don't want to use a bank? You mentioned hard money lenders. What is that? So a hard money loan is a loan that is usually much easier to get, but it is also much higher in interest rates and in points. However, it's a good option if you're short on time, or if you're tight on cash, or if you just need to do the deal. You still got to run your numbers and make sure it still pencils, but hard money loans is how a lot of people get started and how a lot of people still roll today. So it's a good option. And what about the down payment? Don't you have to have a down payment on these houses too? So the down payment is money you got to come up with to put down. But if you're buying the deal right, a lot of times you don't have to come up with a down payment, because banks will loan on 75 to 80% of ARV, which is after repair value. And if you buy the deal right, a lot of times they'll come in at that mark and you don't have to be out of pocket. Sometimes you still gotta be out of pocket, and this is where friends and family would kick in. When I've been short on cash, I've actually done a couple deals with my kids and brought them into the deal, and they get started and they get educated, and I guess I still get to do the deal. So friends and family can help for the down payment. Really? That's it? I just have to find a good deal and then go find a lender? Like, I don't have to do a bunch of scary stuff? Honestly, yeah, it's pretty much it. Find the deal, and if the deal works, the money will follow. A lot of times the problem is that we fear rejection, and we fear putting ourselves out there, and so we just don't do anything. But it's really not hard. And what we often forget is that lenders are in the business of lending money. They want to do business with people who want to borrow. So yeah, that's it. Go find a lender. Marty, this has been so helpful. Do you have any other tips? Yes, I do. Lots of them. So follow below.